and I'm happy to come your way today. My name is Shonde Abiola Damilare, Hunku Alikama, and I welcome you to today's episode of Bloom and Thrive. And today I'll be speaking on one trending topic in Nigeria now, and it's one of the coolest way where people make legitimate money online. And it's a business model or a business skill called affiliate marketing. What is affiliate marketing in layman's term? It's just a business model whereby you promote other people's products or service for a commission, and you promote what other people do. It could be a digital product, it could be a physical product, it could be a program, it could be a service that people really need. So there are two things you need to pay attention, two or three things you need to pay attention to when you want to start with affiliate marketing. The first thing you need to pay attention to is that you need to look for a product or service that people need. And these are the mistakes a lot of novices or a lot of starters in affiliate marketing do. They get into this problem because they actually look for products, just anyhow product. You don't look for just anyhow product. You look for a product that people will need, a product that will be able to solve a problem. Number two, thing you need to pay attention to when it comes to starting well with affiliate marketing is that you look for a product that people really love. Apart from people needing the product, people must be able to love it. Number one, because of its uniqueness. Number two, because it's able to meet their needs. So you need to look for a product that people will love to use. Then number three, you need to look for a product that people will be willing to pay for. That said, you need that, and I think it's very, very crucial, because what's the essence of you promoting a product or service that people will not be able to buy? So when starting out with affiliate marketing, and you need to pay attention to these three things: product that people really need, that is centered around solving a problem that people will love because it's useful and it's easy to use. Then you look for people also that will be willing to pay for such products or service. So these three things should be put in place when you want to start affiliate marketing. And tomorrow I'm starting the affiliate business school by Tractech Digitals, and already I have people that are signed up for the training, where I'll be training people on how to make legitimate money online for as high as 122,000 naira per week using your phone, serving as an affiliate. And I want to believe that you are going to enjoy every bit of that class. It's going to be a 3-day class, and it's an inaugural class. So you're going to enjoy yourself. You are going to learn things that are new, things that will be beneficial to starting your journey in earning online. Affiliate marketing is the new oil now. Affiliate marketing is one thing I'm sure of that's going to hand you consistent income. So join me. The link to the program or to the class will be provided below, and I think it should be scrolling on the video now. You will see the link there. Just click on the link, and you will be granted unrestricted access to the group. Thank you so much for your time. Till I come your way in the next episode of Bloom and Thrive. And in the next episode, I will still continue with what affiliate marketing is all about. And I'll be trying to take it for some time in this episode. Thank you so much. And if you know this video has been beneficial to you, please feel free to like the video, and you can drop a comment in the comment section, and please feel free to click on the subscribe button and the bell icon so that you get newer videos that will come to you from the stable of Bloom and Thrive. Thank you so much for your time, and I will come your way in the next episode.